Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages in the Google Chats. So here I've already opened the Gmail apps, and here I've already on the Google Chat tab on the Gmail, and here I'm going to show you how you can delete the message. So let's open the conversation. Okay, so this message is sent on January 24th. So let's say I want to delete these messages. So what you need to do is just long press on the chat or the conversation or the message, and here scroll down until you find the delete option. So click on delete. Now click on delete again. Okay, so just like that, the message will is deleted from the conversation, but this notification will be shown on the other person chats tab, the message that the message deleted by me. So I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.